and tell a powerful story of identity, ingenuity, and pride. Mahal ko Pilipinas! This costume, Mahal ko Pilipinas, is more than a showcase of creativity. It is a call to protect our environment while honoring the heritage of values from the Filipino people. Each recycled material was chosen with purpose, uniting patriotism, faith, and environmental stewardship. The colors blue, red, and yellow come from the Philippine flag. The base gun made of leftover silver paper plates from